We're excited to have you join us for an upcoming WGU Virtual Hiring Expo. These expos are hosted in WebEx events and give you an opportunity to connect with employers hiring from the comfort of your home. This video will go over video room features so you can be ready on the day of the event. To get started, use the latest Chrome browser and a reliable internet connection. Registration is required. See the previous video if you need help. Video rooms are the heart of your expo experience. Conversations happen here between students, alumni, and company representatives. When ready to join, read each room's description. Some offer structured presentations with Q&A. Others have open formats for introductions and questions. Organizations may host multiple rooms, so check descriptions carefully. Each room is limited to 3 moderators and 13 students. You may need to wait your turn. Click the blue Join button to enter. Your browser will request access to your camera, microphone, and speakers. Turn on your camera and use the widget icon to select the right devices, especially if using a headset. Background blur and virtual backgrounds aren't supported in video rooms. When entering a room, join on mute to avoid disrupting conversations. Be courteous. Wait your turn to speak and use chat while others are talking. To leave and join another room, simply hit the red Leave button. If you have video or audio issues, try removing your headset, refreshing the site, or rejoining. For extra support, visit the Audio and Video Help Room. Employers should join at least 15 minutes early to test their setups. Find your room, adjust settings, and use the screen icon to share slides. CPD staff are present in every room to help. Embrace this opportunity for direct conversations. With preparation and respect, you'll make the most out of WGU's Virtual Hiring Expo.